In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do your Kdp Keyword Research on Amazon. So if you haven't been here before, my name is Rory and I run this channel called Mr. Rosa, and I like to talk about Amazon KDP and how to make money online. So if you're not familiar with what I mean by KDP keywords, they are the words that are being used in your title, subtitle and the 7 boxes which you are trying to fill up when you come to publish your video. So the way I try and look at my KDP keyword research is I try and niche down. So by that I mean, say we have, for example, a cat notebook, and well, what you're going to want to use in your title is more than just cat notebook. Otherwise, as we will look further on in the video, it will be very hard to find your books, which will decrease your sales. So what you're going to want to do is add funny cat notebook or cute cat notebook. That will niche down your book, allowing more people to find them, therefore increasing the sales of your book. So if we jump straight into the computer, as you can see here, we just have a normal Google page open. We're going to go to Amazon.com. So let's say we just type in the word notebook. Now, as you can see, there is 20,000 results, and we're trying to publish our cat notebook, and we're trying to get as many sales as possible. So what we're going to be faced with is trying to battle against these 20,000 other books. And as you can see, well, 7,000 rank, so that means it is ranked 7,000 in all books. And it has 56 reviews, which is hard to compete against when we are first uploading our books. So what you're going to want to do is niche down. So what you're going to want, if you put in cat notebook, as you can see, there is now 1,000 results, which is so much better. Now, as you can see, this one is selling 148,000 in books, 728,000 in books. So all of these books are selling very well, but still 1,000 can be a bit too much. So let's just say you want to use you want to make a cat notebook for kids. So if we type in cat notebook for kids, now we have 556 results, which is a lot better, much easier to compete against. Now, as you can see, all these books are selling. This one has a 5,000 rank, and if we just have a look, yeah, 211 reviews, and this will be making a lot of money on its own just for that person. So if you want to find the best keywords to use, what you're going to want, if you just type in this cat notebook, as you can see here, there is a list of what people are searching for. So cat notebook for girls. What you're going to want to do is you're going to write down these words that it comes up with, so you can use later when you come to type your title and subtitle. So cat notebook for girls, cat notebook spiral, cat notebook for kids, cat notebooks and journals, cat notebook college ruled. So that is the interior. So when you come to type your title or subtitle, you can put in college ruled notebook for girls, let's say, and that will increase the number of sales for sure, as you have niched down, making it easier for people to find your books. So cat notebook small, cat notebook for women, cat notebook wide ruled. So that is changing the size of the book and adding that into your title to let people know that it is slightly bigger than the normal size of a notebook. So that is one way to do your keyword research. Now, another little thing you can do is put in funny cat notebook. So you could find funny quotes to use, and well, if you saw my previous video where I looked on Pinterest to find funny quotes to put on my front cover. So as you can see here, we have 382 results. Now this will mean we will be able to get much more sales as there is not as much competition, allowing our books to be placed further at the top. So as you can see here, these books are all selling, and well, that is what we want, that is what we're looking for. So there's all sorts of different words you could use. Funny cat notebook, cute cat notebook, 912. I mean, that is still less than the 20,000 we originally started with. So you've got cute, and you could even do cat journal. Still 1,000 results. So you could put in funny cat journal, 330 results. So as you can see here, this would mean our books would be easier to find, meaning we would get more sales. So all these words that you have seen, such as funny, cute, girls, boys, these are all words you can put into your title and subtitle. So for example, actually let's just have a look. So cat notebook. So let's have a look what other people have done. So let's look at one that's doing well and is very popular at the moment. So if we have a look at this, primary composition notebook, half ruled, half blank, cute cat draw and write journal with picture space for drawing and primary ruled lines for creative writing, 100 sheets / 200 pages. So all of those words you've just seen, they are all keywords which can be used to easily find your books. Now, the way they've done it, they seem to have listed just a bunch of words, but other ways you could do it is, so a funny cat notebook for girls and boys. And then in your subtitle, what I like to do is then add in, instead of notebook, add in the word journal. So when people are typing in journal instead of notebook, it will be found as well. So this was a very brief and easy way you could possibly do your keyword research. If you would like a more in-depth video, remember to leave a comment down below and I'll definitely reply to you. And yes, this is something I can go over in more detail and even provide you with some keywords which you can use for yourself, such as these funny, cute, and well, I hope that this works out for you. If you did enjoy, remember to like, subscribe, and if there's anything you'd like me to do a video on, make sure to leave that in the comments below, as I'll definitely do that for you. So, hope to see you next time. Goodbye.